Algae Destroyer, the name says it all. It's an algaecide and it destroys algae. It is definitely used for treating a green pool. This is not a product designed for preventing algae. We use this when the pool is considerably green, not just a little bit of algae, but a lot of algae. It is a combination product containing both a quat-based algaecide and another little extra special ingredient in there which really takes care of algae, particularly green algae, and you can also use it on black spot algae. If we have recommended that you use this product in your pool, a couple of things to remember when using it. It's really common that the active ingredient has sunk to the bottom. It needs a lot of shaking before adding it to the pool. If you're using the whole bottle, you don't have to panic too much about getting it really well dispersed before adding it to the pool, because when it's empty, you can have a look, see if there's any product on the bottom. If there is, just fill the bottle up with some more water, give it a good shake and add it to the pool. I don't recommend this product for self-selection off our shelf for use in your pool. It's really a product that you should only use if we recommend it as the right product for your pool.